Okay, if you haven't watched my previous videos on 2C dynamics, I suggest you do so because we do touch a bit onto that theory. So let's have a look here at this next syllabus dot point. Now, the syllabus dot point here has a few equations and they imply on Newton's third law. So let's have a look at Newton's third law. Newton's third law states for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So mathematically this is represented by FAB equals minus FBA. Now notice that AB and BA are subscripts in this equation. So these communicate the fact that this is action and reaction forces and they always involve the same two objects. So if there's an action, if the action is a force A applies to B, then the reaction is a force that B applies back to A, hence the negative sign in the opposite direction. And you can see that in my image with the balloon. You got the action, which is the air coming out, and the reaction is the balloon moving forward. Okay, so let's have a look here at another two set of questions that relate to Newton's third law. So A, how rowing a boat causes the boat to move forward through the water, and B, why when we catch a cricket ball, it can sometimes hurt. So for A, the blade of the oar pushes on the water and the water pushes equally backwards on the blade, and this gets transferred through the oar to the boat, which is free to move, which moves forward. Now B, our hands put a force to stop the cricket ball. So they were catching the ball puts an equal and opposite force on our hands, which is, if it's large enough, it can hurt. Let's look at our next question here. So mass is in static equilibrium on a frictionless inclined plane by a rope parallel to the incline as shown in the image. If the angle of the incline is 30 degrees and the tension is 4,900 newtons, what is the mass of the object? So you've got an equation here, Fy equals F sine theta. Now you don't know what F is, but you can substitute M times gravity, which will give you mass, which is what the question's asking. Now we know Fy is 4,900, and you don't know mass, but you know gravity, and you know gravity and sine 30 to the left hand side, so you divide 9.8 times sine 30, and you'll get your mass as 1,000 kilograms. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Just remember you can substitute F equals ma, or ma where F is. Okay. Now, in my next set of videos, I'm going to be looking at elastic and inelastic collisions and moving on to dynamics to finish this topic. So if you already haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It gives me motivation to do many more videos like these, and I hope this is helping you in the new preliminary course. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next playlists.